So as we told you earlier, U.S. companies in the solar and pipeline industries are already seeking relief from steel tariffs by applying for waivers. Thousands of companies are applying for these waivers, but they're not even the sector facing the greatest risk in the escalating trade fight with China. Look at major chip makers taking a tumble after President Trump last night threatened tariffs on an additional $200 billion in Chinese goods. Micron is the only one moving higher, but Intel, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Texas Instruments all moving lower for multiple days in a row. So, which is why we thought let's bring in our guest. He's the chairman of Akoustis Technologies, a manufacturer of filters that chip makers use for chips used in your mobile wireless phones, like the one that's on your screen. Jerry Neal is here in a Fox Business exclusive. I don't envy you, Jerry. You're based in North Carolina, but part of your supply chain goes through Chinese packaging suppliers, and you've got customers in Europe and all over the world. How are you straddling this trade minefield right now?
Well, Liz, I'm very happy to be with you, and so far we're not seeing any change at all. Our customers are still talking to us, and we have developed a new component for 5G. And if you may know that 5G is going to be rolled out by some companies by the end of this year. Mm-hmm. And the Chinese are a little ahead of us here in the U.S. So the Chinese companies are really still looking for answers to the most difficult components, and that's what we're doing.
That's great news. I like to hear that. You have to explain to us, though, right now, because come the end of June, we understand that the administration is going to prevent Chinese investors and Chinese companies from either investing in or taking stakes in important technology companies here in the U.S. Seems to me like you'd be one of them. But yet, as you guys start to plow ahead in the 5G race, is that a good thing? Would that hurt you? Or are you saying, go ahead, Mr. President, because we want to have bigger footprint here in the U.S.?
I think that we're a true international company. As you know, we're traded on the NASDAQ under the symbol AKTS, and we see that 5G is a very important market for us and where our future is going to be made. So we have a component that has performance that is unequaled by our competitors.
So you're talking some serious smack here. You say, you know what, we'll do fine no matter what. So if you had the president's ear, what would you say to him about the path he's taking on the trade war or the trade dispute, as Peter Navarro, his trade guy, is saying?
Well, I am not in a position to give the president any advice.
If you
Just saying simply that we believe that all these things will work out. And there's so much competition for the 5G that it's going to work out quicker than a lot of the other problems.
In fact, your filters that can handle 5G that you just launched are the only 5G chip on the market to date. I want you to tell me a little bit about that, but also I'd be remiss if I didn't ask you, will Akoustis be applying for one of these waivers from the tariffs?
Really, I'm not involved in that at this particular time, and if that's the proper thing to do, we certainly will be looking to do that. Right now, we do have this disruptive technology, and we'll be manufacturing this in the United States in our factory in Canandaigua, New York.
Canandaigua, New York. So we like to hear that you've got some operations here. The packaging is in China. Jerry, your stock is bucking the chipmaker trend. Akoustis is right now moving higher by more than about 2 2/3%. Thank you so much for joining us, and come back again.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.